Hey everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. So how are you? I'm happy. I'm almost always happy. I have happy mail. I have a postcard and I have a box. Oh, happy mail. Okay, so the first one we'll start with, since it was on top. It's a postcard from our lovely Barbara Lienhard. She is a subscriber and she lives in Florida. Darla, we are safe and doing well after Hurricane Milton. We secured the boat and went to Orlando. Many homes without power, but so far everyone we know only has minimal damage. I think a trip to Kennedy Space Center next week will be just the fun we need. Did you go? Kennedy Space Center? What a cool postcard. Oh, prayers, love and hugs, Barbara Lienhard. Thank you so much, Barbara. Kennedy Space Center. Yeah, I don't really get to see anything like this because I'm in Canada. But anyway, that would be cool to go there. Yeah. All right. Thank you, Barbara. I appreciate this. I love getting postcards. Love it. Okay, let's open the box. Got the knife. I haven't opened it yet. So let's just slid into this. This one is from Maria Richards. She's another lovely subscriber. And yeah, I'm excited. Okay. Thank you, Maria. Okay, you want to look first? Oh, I feel paper. Paper. And I see something blue. Oh, okay. This is good paper, actually, because no way. Okay. I caught a glimpse. This is good paper because this can be used for paper crafting. Yes, it can. What did you... Oh, no way! No way! No stinking way. Get out. Bright hooks. Our Cheery Bright crochet hook set features wide, easy to grip handles for hours of comfortable crocheting, while the array of colors makes sizes quickly identifiable. From We Crochet. No way. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's like it's a whole set. And then there's something else in here. Oh my gosh. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, wow. Oh, look. Oh my goodness. Let me see, these are all out of their little holes here. Straighten out here. Straighten out. There we go. And then the big ones. The big ones. Oh my goodness. Let's look at this. Wow. Okay, that's a 10 millimeter. Was I saying something about, was I saying something about 10 millimeter? I don't know. Was I? Anyway. Look. That feels nice. Oh, that handle feels nice. Oh, it's a little rubbery, sort of. Maybe not. It's not that squishy actually, but it does feel smooth like rubber. But I don't think it's squishy. All right, oh, so excited. Okay, so does it say what sizes come in here? Do I have to? Oh, here. Sizes include, it's a 2 millimeter to a 10 millimeter. So 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 3.75, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that's 15 hooks. And they're all color coded. Color coded. Oh my goodness. From We Crochet. I said that already, but just reminding you. And then, what's this? Dot's crochet hook set of 9. What are you talking? This is another set from 2 millimeter up to 6 millimeter, going like half, like a 2, a 2.5, a 3, 3.5, and so on up to a 6. This is a whole set too? Are you crazy, woman? Get out of town. So bright hooks, and then this is dots. Are you serious? Oh, look, it has dots. Hence the name. These are longer. Are they longer than the other ones? This is another whole set. Are you kidding me? Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, what have I grabbed here? This was a 4. Let's see, where's a 4 here? Color. Blue. Oh, I can't believe this. Oh my gosh. That's a 4. Okay. Look. So the dots are longer. The dots are longer. So this is a set of, what did it say? What did it say? It said 9. And the other one's 15. Come on, babies. Come out of there. Aren't they cute? They're so cute with the dots. Am I going to take them all out of here? No. Oh, wow. I wasn't expecting this at all. Like, I mean, I was expecting something from Maria because she said she was sending me something, but I thought maybe maybe she was sending me some yarn. There's a paper in here. Thank you for being part of the crochet family. Oh, that's from We Crochet. Thank you for being part of the crochet family, Maria. Yeah. Oh. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. So, yes, beautiful postcard from the beautiful Barbara. Beautiful hook sets from Maria. Oh, I'm just, okay. I got little tears. Stop that. I have little tears. Little tears. I want to go here. Oh my gosh. I want to go here. Anyway. All right, so that's it. But I'll see you all again as soon as I can. I'm still working on cat mats, and I got a whole bunch more done. And yeah. Anyway, I have so much going on to do with everything. Anyway, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So again, I'll show you guys if you're interested. From We Crochet. Bright hooks and dots. Do you guys have these? Do any of you have these? And what do you think of them? Wow. That's so nice of you, Maria. And so nice of you, Barbara. Barbara's got my personal address, so they come right to my house. I don't give that out very often. Okay, so I want to thank you all for joining today, and it's really good to see you. And thank you for my gifts, and I'll see you all again as soon as I can.